looky what I got. I had so much problems with my last Amazon order because of the post office. But today, I got two movies that I ordered from Amazon because of a gift card that I got from work. And they said, today by 8 o'clock. So my mail usually comes around 2:30. So I burned home from work right after work, got off a couple minutes before 2, came directly home. I'm like, okay, I've got to go pick up a couple things. But I'm going to wait until the, orders come just in case they need to deliver it to me. I didn't know whether it'd stick in the mailbox or not. And I just ordered some food because I thought I wasn't going to be able to make it. I wasn't going to be able to go out and get it before later tonight. And I decided to run down and take the trash out and then come back up. And as I was going down there, post office, the mail delivery guy pulled up. And boom. So let's do this. I know which two they are. But let's do it anyway. This is going to be awesome. Okay, there's this one. Okay, yes. This is going to be horrible. I can tell. It's just going to be one of the ones that you're just sitting there thinking, I should get some booze. I should drink the booze and watch this because it'll make it better. It's going to be one of those horrible ones that are good. You know what I'm saying? Vampirella. Thirsty for justice, shall settle for blood. Alright, now let's... Kind of hard to read, but let's just do it this way. Come on. Boom. Anyway. Turn on flashlight.
It's on.
Okay. Dark, mysterious, and sensual Vampirella. Her name is Talisa Soto. Is a princess from the planet Draculon. Like all vampires, she needs blood to live, but she will not kill to get it. A synthetic substitute keeps her alive. After journeying across space and time seeking Earth in Las Vegas... seeking vengeance for her father's brutal murder, she now finds herself on Earth in Las Vegas, where her enemy, Vlad, Roger Daltrey, has disguised himself as a rock star. In order to stop Vlad's doomsday plan for world domination, Vampirella must make a dangerous alliance with a group of high-tech vampire hunters. It is a race to stop the apocalypse of humanity, and our fate is in the hands of this fiery, dangerous, and beautiful Vampirella. Sounds absolutely horrible, but hey, Roger Daltrey. Special features. Feature-length audio commentary by director James, however you pronounce his name. Original restored version. Digitally remastered original trailer. Cast biographies, interactive menus, scene selection, and preview attractions. Turn off flashlight.
It's off.
Okay, so that's it right there. So there's not much going on. Then you open it up, and it's just got the typical boom. There's that one. May or may not watch that one tonight. The other one, I'm going to slip in tonight. Alright, this is kind of already opened, and it looks like the way this lady shoved it in there. Okay, Hatchet. The old school American horror. Looks like The way she shoved this in there, it looks like it might have... This is not in fantastic shape. Let's get this open. Okay, take it off. And I didn't think the Blu-rays had these stupid little case cover things on there. Sorry, I don't like doing it this way on reviews, but I mean unboxing, but sometimes you just have to do it this way. So you can get these things open. All right, so okay, it's the movie that single-handedly brought back old school American horror, then drove a hatchet straight into its shocked and screaming face. Anyway, now the blood-sprayed saga of a group of tourists, their Bayou tour, and the legend of defamed swamp psycho Victor Crowley returns wetter, redder, and better than ever before. Joel David Moore, Avatar, Dean Richmond's Scream 3, Tamara Feldman, Mercedes McNabb star along with horror icon Kane, Jason Hodder, Robert Freddy Krueger England, and Tony Candyman Todd. Wow, all three of them in this limb-tearing, skull-splitting, gut-ripping director's cut featuring a new HD transfer. The Hatchet Army marches on. Victor Crowley is totally uncensored, completely unrated, and forever unstoppable on Blu-ray. All right, then see, that's it. And you got some special features in here, which is an all-new commentary, audio commentary with the writer, actors Tamara Feldman, Joe Monroe, and Dean Richmond, and the making. So you take that, and then you open it up, and it's just got the typical boom. So these aren't the high quality, with all the extra stuff, but a lot of them have. It does have commentary, but it is the unrated version. And this did get pressed in a little bit. This lady just seemed to be jamming stuff into my little mailbox, which wasn't cool, but I got it, so I'm going to stick this in and watch it and have some fun. Have a good day.